All right, so it begins. My track to climb Mount Elbert, the tallest mountain in the Rocky Mountains. I'm beginning at like 6 in the morning right here in Colorado. Not quite the tallest mountain in the contiguous United States. I think Mount Whitney in California is actually taller, but barely by a little bit. So this one should be a good test of if I can survive. I brought like a bunch of water, this first aid kit, a bunch of trail mix. I'm just wondering if I will be warm enough, because I heard it can get 20 degrees at the top of the mountain. And I only have like the sweatshirt and this jacket and then two pairs of pants. So we'll see if it's warm enough for me. I'm honestly not sure I can make it, because I had to walk just 2 miles just to get here. But we'll see. Right, it is now, what time is it? 8:55 in the morning. So I started around 6, I think. So it's been about almost 3 hours. I think I'm pretty close to the peak. I don't know if you can see it, but there's Mount Massive. I'm pretty sure that's Mount Massive way over there. And that's the nice little trail I came up. There's a nice little clearing here. And I think I brought way too much water. I was way overdressed. It's a lot hotter than I expected it to be. It was raining early in the morning, so I thought it'd be really cold today. But maybe I'm just not high enough for it to be really cold. So I put my pair of pants in my bag, my jacket in my bag. I'm just sweating so much. I brought way too much water. I drank a couple bottles of water already. I don't even know where my bottles of water are, but I drank 2 bottles of water. I have a 2-liter like container of water, and then I have this water bottle. It's half empty, so like 400 milliliters. So I'm pretty sure I can make it to the top if I take appropriate breaks. I'm definitely a lot slower than all these hikers. I mean, that's okay. I'm not really in shape, but I guess that's one thing to know. If I ever do climb a mountain again, I should probably be in shape, or it'll be really grueling. But that's okay. It's all part of the journey. But yeah, I will keep on tracking and see if I can make it to the top.
It is I, Dan from the future, in my mom's basement. That's not really a basement. But anyways, make sure to triple click that like button for the YouTube algorithm, because this mountain took everything out of me. I swear I was gonna like fall apart and just faint at the end of the hike, because I did. I just kind of just like hobbled into my bed. But I didn't film that because like after a point it was kind of like too strenuous just like to take off my backpack and reach for my GoPro and start filming. So that's why like this kind of ends a little bit, I don't know, not all the way into the hike, but that's okay. I can't film every second of my life, or can I? Find out next time.
Thing I forgot to mention, I was eating these energy gels, which I was told, like, you know, if I eat a bagel or a sandwich, I think I read somewhere, it'll just use a lot of energy because you have to digest it. But with these energy gels, like, I guess I don't really have to digest it. The only like bad thing is they're kind of like low in calories, 100 calories, but it does have like a bunch of 1,000 milligrams of amino acid, sodium, and some caffeine. I don't drink caffeine, so I'm feeling a little bit of the caffeine rush. So I've had 2 of these and then like a little oat bar. I have like 3 bags of trail mix though, which once again overpacked for, but yeah. So I would probably take only 1 bag of trail mix because that's already 2,000 calories. So I took 6, like over almost 7,000 calories in trail mix and snacks, and I don't need that much food. But yeah, I guess over prepared isn't always better. But yeah. All right, I made it to a false peak, and by false peak I mean it's like kind of like a local maximum or whatever. I feel like that's a mathematical definition. But anyways, I can see the peak all the way up there. I think I can see it anyways. It is, I want to say, another mile hike. I have wanted to give up many times at this point. It actually got a lot colder, so I put on my pants again, put on my jacket. Yeah, I wasn't physically ready. In fact, my battery, my other battery for my GoPro kind of like, I guess, ran out of juice, I guess. I'm not really sure. But, so if I don't film anymore, it's because, yeah, I might run out of battery. So I'll try to keep things short, maybe just get to the peak, hopefully. There's so much snow, I wonder how cold it really is up there, but we'll see. Made it to pretty much the peak. I mean, like the real peak is kind of like over there somewhere, but it's not worth it. I don't have like the sticks sticking to the, oh, there goes, the wind is really bad up here. It just blew my glove off. Not off my hand, but off my lap. But yeah, I'm calling it quits here. This is pretty much the peak. The highest point in Colorado, pretty much. I mean, that point, that over there doesn't exist. But yeah, I think I was just like not ready. I think I maybe needed to like acclimate more to the weather, but at least going down should be easy. Also, I was running out of water. I have pretty much like this left to go like walk 7 miles back to my bus, which is not a lot. It's kind of scary. I don't like running out of water, but I've been drinking too much water, I think, actually. But that's okay. It's better than drinking no water. I was worried I brought too much water at the beginning because it was heavy, but maybe it's fine. But yeah, that was my I don't want to climb a mountain again. I climbed a mountain 2 years ago. It was Mount Old Rag in Virginia. It was like a really small mountain. It was like 4,000 feet was the altitude. This one, like almost 4 to 5 times that altitude. And I guess I just wasn't ready. Probably should have picked an easier mountain. It's my first time in a long time, but you know, that's okay. Well, in 2 years we'll get a smaller one, smaller mountain maybe, or maybe sooner. I don't know. I'm the mountain man Dan now. Who needs first aid? Wait, it's upside down. Who needs first aid now? Because I don't, but I feel like I need to open the zip tie eventually. When I do actually need first aid. Anyways, I got no more water left in this big old container. I put all the water in my small one and then like half in like my other one. But it started to rain when I was coming down. And then like a bunch of people were saying, yeah, you gotta rush the tree lines so you don't get zapped by lightning. And I didn't get zapped, at least I didn't feel it if I did. But yeah, I rushed the tree lines and then it was basically just slept here for like 15 minutes. But I think I have 4 miles left to the beginning, to the bottom. It should be easy, I hope. I mean, it's downhill, at least mostly. Yeah. So I think I've made it now. I've made past all the hard parts, I guess. I have my toe, I feel like my shoes aren't like big, or I don't know, they're probably not the right fit, because like my small pinky toe, like when I was rushing down, I think I heard it because like I guess my feet were just so deep in my shoes that they were just crushing it. But well, can't do much about it without a little bit of the casualties of war.
And here's the prologue. So what happened after is that my foot, I guess, was too hard to walk on. So I was actually kind of like limping for almost, I think I said 4 miles after, but there was actually another 2 miles because there was a 2 mile like walk from the, I guess, start of the hike to the where my car was parked because it was blocked off. The road was blocked off, so I had to do that. So it was like limping for 6 miles, which I don't limp very fast. Like I don't know how many miles per hour it would be, but like it's really slow limping because my legs were sore for, I guess, walking for at least like 10 miles or so. I don't know how many miles it would be, but then my feet had so many calluses. I don't want to show the calluses. I still have like an injury, like a little, like it was bleeding for like 2 weeks. I still have that on my pinky toe because of this. I'm not going to show it because it's kind of like gore, and I know some people don't like that. I don't like that. So yeah, I guess don't climb without the right shoes, or you know, the hiking sticks. I think I said that before in the video, but you definitely need hiking sticks. Everyone else had hiking sticks except for me. I kind of felt left out, but that's okay. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe if you have not already. Follow me on Instagram or whatever. I'll talk to you later. Peace.